Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us start our next activity, that is the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Objective of this activity: to establish a mathematical expression for the sum of first n terms of an arithmetic progression. Materials required for this activity: cardboard, color drawing sheet, white paper, cutter, adhesive. Prerequisite knowledge. Concept of arithmetic progression. You have to know about arithmetic progression. Then you should have knowledge about the formula for nth term of an AP. That is, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 whole into t. Method of construction. First, take a rectangular cardboard of convenient size and paste a white paper on it. Draw a rectangular ABCD of length 2a plus 9d units and breadth is 10 units. Its 10th term is a plus 9d. Here we have taken an AP up to 10 terms. So the arrangement is like this. So this is a rectangle ABCD having length 2a plus 9d and breadth is 10 units. So you have to take A and D according to your convenience. Make some rectangular strips of equal length A units and some strips of length D, 2D, 3D up to 9D units and breadth 1 unit using colored drawing sheets. Arrange or paste these strips on rectangle ABCD as shown in the figure. So this is the figure. So in the left side, these are the rectangles having length A unit and breadth 1 unit. And in the right side, these are different rectangles having breadth 1 unit but lengths are D, 2D, 3D, 4D up to 9D. Demonstration. The strips are so arranged such that it should look like a staircase. Like this, The strips are arranged like this in the rectangle ABCD, and this looks like a staircase. The first stair is of length A units. The second stair is of length A plus D units. Third of length A plus 2D units, and so on. And each is of breadth 1 unit. So the areas in square units of these strips are A plus D, A plus 2D up to A plus 9D respectively. This arrangement of strips gives a pattern of A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, which is an AP with the first term A and the common difference D. So here the sum of the areas of these strips in square units are A plus D plus A plus 2D plus up to A plus 9D, that is equal to 10A plus 45D. So you have to remember that, or you have to observe that the area formed by the strips is half of the area of the total rectangle ABCD. You can observe this diagram and you can conclude that the areas formed by all the rectangles, all the colored rectangles, is half of the area of rectangle ABCD. So area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to 2A plus 9D into 10. So this is length into breadth. So now half of the area of the rectangle ABCD is equal to half of 10 into 2A plus 9D. So this is equal to the area of 10 for the staircase in equation 1. This shows that the sum of first 10 terms of the AP, that is the sum of the areas of the colored rectangles, that is half into 10 into 2A plus 9D, that is equal to half into 10 into 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. So this is further generalized to find the sum of first n terms of an AP as Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So by this activity we got the result. So it is verified that the formula for the sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression is Sn is equal to n by 2 whole into 2A plus n minus 1 into D, where A is the first term and D is the common difference of the AP. Thank you.